That nigga fucking called and fucked the whole video up. Nigga calling me trying to get me to buy shit.
Diablo, Papi,
Oh, I got that shit real good. Look.
Till you get closer.
I know, I'm gonna go right by that shot. What the fuck? Oh, the accident right there. That nigga must have been looking and hit that shit. He was ahead of the car looking.
That shit sucks.
Oh, look at the fire! You're stupid.
Yo, look at those firemen. They're crazy. I told you that's the front of it. Yo,
Damn, yo, the whole that nigga
whole
must have
cab,
died. That
nigga.
nigga must have died. It must have been exploded.
Holy shit, Scobar. Look at the tanks, nigga. The fuel tanks. It's right underneath it.
It's about to explode, nigga.
Nigga, don't say that. We passed right by it.
Oh, I'm just already exploded.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He couldn't even see you.
Nah.
You so stupid.
Look at the fire. Look at the fire people.
Alright, good, because we need to make